I'm Jenna Ahern and I'm at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky, and today we're going through the 2021 Wrangler Rubicon 392. Let's take a look. If you are an adrenaline junkie, the 392 is a serious rush. The only Jeep Wrangler that comes standard with a 6.4 liter V8 HEMI engine, as well as 2-inch lift and 33-inch tires. So the 2-inch lift comes standard along with the 33-inch tire and the bronze V-blocks. So again, on the front, you'll see it comes standard with the bronze as well as the front camera and sensor. And what's really unique about the 392 is what's under the hood. Okay, so one thing that's very unique, if you come in here and look at the hood, is the Jeep Hydro Guide air induction systems. Water comes in through the front functional hood. The Hydro Guide induction system will enhance the engine performance because you're not having all the water come right onto the engine. It is going to help separate the water right here and forward the water during wet traveling conditions, especially during off-road performing. Okay, moving on to the rear of the 392, you see the rear camera, and then the re-infill tire carrier is standard on the 392, as well as the dual mode exhaust. For the first time, Wrangler features a dual exhaust, and with the simple push of a button, you can engage the dual mode system to toggle between quiet and performance off-roading. The inside of the 392 is as pristine as you would think. One unique feature about the interior of the 392 is the bronze stitching and the bronze badging. You can see the Rubicon 392 on the seat backs, and they come with standard leather. And that's a wrap. Thanks everybody for tuning in to our brand new video on the 392. Like, click, and subscribe below, and visit our website at crossjeep.com for more vehicles.